Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So now I want to talk about the tangent. So now I will show you how to answer. The first thing we need to find first the derivative of y. So this one that is about 3x squared. This one that is about 2x. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0 because I just applied the formula in here. So the next one that is about the tangent line, so that should be like this. So we have the point s equals to number 1, y equals to number 1. So s0 in here, that is about number 1. y0 in here, that is about number 1. This one, when we put s equals to number 1, go in here. So we have the final answer. The value of this one, after we put number 1 go in here, we have negative number 3. So we simplify this one. And we got like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.